videos about cats. Cats. You might love cats like I do. But my cat has disorders. I come home and he pees on the floor in front of me. Not okay. You gotta teach your cat a lesson. Not okay for a cat to pee on the floor. It smells like rotten eggs. Or like a basket with old chocolate. So I am going to call the vet right now on my pink phone. Hello, my cat is all pee-ish on the floor. I think you need to help him. Yes. No, he has nothing wrong with him. He is a perfect cat. Yeah, well, I don't like you. You don't give me right answers. They don't like to help me. But my cat is nice. It just pees on the floor when I come home. And it tries to scratch the toilet and make it bleed. But he goes in and we flush him so he can learn his discipline. Dr. Drake 4000 with my cat. He is nice. Bye.